everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here with you guys to share you guys with my Walgreens haul. Now you guys will see that CVS is behind me. I am filming the video in the CVS parking lot just because I'm hitting both videos at once, but I'm here to share with you guys what I got at Walgreens. Now Walgreens has a lot of great deals with points. I had some those $10 registry rewards that were expiring, so I kind of went just above and beyond because I didn't want those to go to waste, and I actually needed some stuff. So the first deal I want to show you guys is the deal of the week. Now this is a Soap and Glory thing. We do have some $2 off digital coupons, otherwise you guys will use this. My digital coupon did not work, so that's okay. I'm gonna just, speak to Walgreens, or it's not a big deal. I don't make a big deal, but this is on sale right now for $15, you guys, so this is a good deal. It says it's 5 items, which technically it's only 4 items, and then you get this nice little bag. I'm getting this to somebody for a gift, but basically you guys would use that $2 off coupon, and you guys would get this for $13. So if you guys need some gifts, go ahead and do that. There is what is this? Clean on Me. So it's a creamy moisture shower gel. We got Righteous Butter. We also have some 3-in-1 daily purifying cloths. It does not say the quantity from what I can see. No. And then there is a Scrub Your Life Ultimate Super Smoothing Body something. So that would be cute, kind of, if you guys need some gifts and you guys are having some stuff that's expiring. Now, I also got myself some root beer because I only have like 3 cans left, and root beer is my life. These were 3 for $8.99, so that's what I got. They come out to be $2.99 a piece. I usually say try to go with $2.50, but if you guys really need some pop or soda is what you guys might call it, and I had those $10 registry rewards were expiring, I thought I'm gonna go ahead and do that because that's the cheapest place I can find it. My local grocery store sells them for $4 and something cents. Like, that's ridiculous. So $2.99 is the way to go. Now you guys should be getting Colgate Wasted. Now these are $2.99. You guys want to use 2 $1 off coupons that we got from our inserts last Sunday. You would pay $3.98 for 2 of these. But then you guys will get 4,000 points, making them, I got the hiccups all of a sudden, making them absolutely free. Now you can do 4 coupons per transaction, so you guys can end up getting this. You can get 4 of these and use 4 coupons and get it free. You can also pay with points. So this is a deal where you guys can pay with points. So if you guys really need to build your points, and you have a lot of registry rewards that are expiring, so you guys can basically use the registry rewards. Just make sure you guys are using a filler item, but this is a great freebie that you guys can get to get points. So even if you don't have any more coupons, definitely use those registry rewards because you guys will get points for that. But yeah, great deal. So I did the deal twice in one transaction because you can, and so loving it. Okay. The next deal I also got for you guys is I have another one. I have them in 2 different bags. I got the nice bags. Now these are $2. A lot of you guys make fun of me the way I say bags. But you guys, these would be $2.79 for these. They are buy 1 get 2 free. You guys would end up getting these for 93 cents a piece. So go ahead and do that. Yeah, go ahead. So, got 3 of those. I'm like pretty much baggied out, but I still like to share with you guys on that. I was just trying to find some other deals to share with you guys, and I ended up getting the nice brand like trail mix kind of stuff. These are great if you guys are looking for stuff to get with your registry rewards or just trying to get some stuff for gifts. These are kind of good, and they don't expire till like, the middle. So one thing is, I got this one. This one is completely full. There's like no air in it at all. This is like 100% full. But these were 2 for $4, so $2 a piece. I thought that was a pretty good deal. This one you don't have a lot, but this one They really packed that one full. So this one is the Crave-tastic Party Mix. It's got peanuts, M&Ms, milk chocolate candies, pretzels, chocolate chip cookies. I thought that was kind of good, like little snack. And this is Peanut Butter Cup Trail Mix. Peanuts, mini chocolate, peanut butter cups, peanut butter gems, almonds, and cashews. So I thought those are just kind of cool, you know, nice little snack items for that. So in case you guys want to go ahead and get those. And I'll show you guys my other bag that I got. Okay. So I ended up doing the Crest deal, and I ended up putting it over my clipboard. I ended up doing the Crest deal. Now, again, these were $2.99. There's a lot of digital coupons for you guys if you haven't used those. But, yeah, $2.99. You want to buy 3 of them. You want to use that 5 off of 3 digital coupon that showed up in our accounts today. You guys would pay $3.97 for all 3 of these. But then you guys will get the $4 register reward, making these absolutely free. Now, you guys can do this deal a couple times if you guys have the coupons for it. I don't know if there's any coupons out there. Otherwise, there are a variety of different digital coupons, so it just depends on what one will come off for that. But always free, and then you guys just have to do them as separate transactions. I did the Irish Spring deodorant. The other one's in here somewhere. The Irish Spring deodorant. These are Speed Stick, not Irish Spring. It is Irish Spring, but Speed Stick, these were $3.49. They were buy one, get one 50% off. You guys want to use a $1 off digital coupon. You would pay $4.23, but then you guys will get 3,000 points back, making it $1.23 or 61 cents. Now, I know the women's ones are cheaper. The store I shopped on Sundays, they don't have the ladies Speed Stick. Otherwise, when I go on Tuesday, they will. But if you guys, again, need to build points, that coupon's only available for 1 digital. There is some printable coupons if you guys can print those off. I'm maxed out on printing them. But otherwise, without the coupon, there's still an okay deal. You guys would end up getting for $2.23 for 2 of them. I mean, I usually say $1 deodorant, but if you guys need to build your points, go ahead and do the deodorant deal. Now, I also did the Tresemme deal. These were $4.99. There is a deal where if you guys buy 4 of them, you get points. So basically, you guys buy 3 of them. There is a 5 off of 3 digital coupon. Plus, I know we have some regular coupons that are in their inserts. I don't have any more. But, yeah, you guys would use those. You would pay $9.97 for 3 of these, but you guys would get 5,000 points for buying 3 of them. You can also pay with points if you guys want to do this deal. And you guys can submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards. I know they have a deal where if you buy 1, you get at least 1,000 points, so you guys can do that. I have my referral link below. If you guys click my referral link, you guys will get 2,000 points for, you know, joining when you submit your first receipt. And I love Fetch Rewards. So $4.97 it comes out to be, or $1.65 a piece. If you guys do if you do count the one towards Fetch Rewards, it's like $3.97 for 3 of them. So that's like $1.33 a piece. So I have the other one. It's just hard to do a haul inside the car. Yes. So got that one. And then the next deal I did is the soft soap, hand soap. Now, we do have the bigger ones. The bigger ones are $2.99. These are $1.99. And these are buy one, get one 50% off. Now, make sure you guys always do these lids before you put them in your bags, because I've had soap drop. So, again, $1.99. Buy one, get one 50% off. You guys can pay with points with this deal. But you guys would buy four of them and pay $5.97. You would get 4,000 points, making it $1.97 or just 49 cents a piece if you guys need some soap. So I think that's a pretty great deal if you guys need some hand soap. So just wanted to share with you guys on that in case you need some soap. I'm gonna put everything back. So that was my haul. I did pretty good, you guys. I was in and out of the store like super quick. Like usually I kind of lollygag, but today I'm like, nope, I'm a girl on a mission. You gotta get out of that store and hurry up. So my total came to $47.99. Now, I did go a little crazy because, I didn't pay that price because I had register rewards that were expiring. But I ended up using like $33 of register rewards, and then I paid with points. So I paid like $2. But yeah, so you guys, it came to $47.99. The reason why it was so high is because the Soap and Glory right there is $15, and then the A&W, that's like $9 right there. So that's like, you know, $20. But yeah, I ended up getting $20 back with points. I got points back for the Colgate, so I got 8,000 points for the Colgate. I got 3,000 points for the Speed Stick. I got 4,000 points for the Soft Soap. I got 5,000 points for the Tresemme, and then I also got the $4 register reward for the Crest. So yes, my grand total came to $23.99. I got everything for, I got 25 items. That comes out to be just 95 cents a piece. So, not sure if that's the greatest deal, but I wanted, you know, I really needed the root beer and I wanted to get that gift. So, that is the reason why I got what I got. But I'm going to try to show you guys some more deals on Tuesday for a second haul. My hair is like, but again, if you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. And I will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.